Hello friends, welcome back. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how rolling updates work, how you can roll out your deployment or application. If your deployment is not completed successfully, how you can roll back to the last successful deployment or to a specific revision by using --to-revision flag. In this video I am going to demonstrate how you can do the blue-green deployment. I believe you guys have the exposure what the blue-green deployment is, so let me give you the small details about it. Let's assume you have a green stack running inside your production and all the traffic is going to serve by the green stack. Now you have to do you are planning to do some changes in the code and you don't want to take the downtime, so you have created the another blue stack. You have tested that stack. You are ready to switch the traffic from green to blue. So how you can achieve this one with OpenShift. So let's create one project first. So I'm creating a separate project for the blue-green deployment. So my project name is blue-green. Okay, let me go to my dashboard and check it here. Yeah, blue-green has been created. There is nothing. Go and click on browse catalog, PHP, and I'm putting here green app. This is my green app, green app, because this is my green stack, and here I need to put my this URL which will download the code from my Git repo, and click on advanced options and uncheck routing. I don't want to create the route from here. I will create the route from the command mode later on once the deployment done. So just create. So it's a green app, so green app is going to be deploy here. So it is going to clone the repo and create the image by using your code and push it to the Docker internal registry, and then it will create a pod for you. So meanwhile, let's go to the CLI and track everything. So this is my project name, blue-green. So let's go inside it, check the BC, means build config, get the logs of this build config. So I'm not using blue app, this is my green, so I will put here green app, and it will display what the things is going on in build config. Yeah, so it's saying 76% is complete. The same thing you can see from the console itself. Yeah, okay, you can also get the DC, means deployment config. Let me put the control C here. So it will create a deployment config for you. Yeah, but you can see revision is 0 because your deployment config is not ready yet. Your desired state to run a one pod, but there is no pod running currently because still the build config is going on. Yeah, build has been completed and it's creating the deployment for you, and the partial pod is running. Yeah, so your one pod is running. So here you can see the DC again. So you can see the revision is 1, desired state is 1, and current is 1. Perfect. Now you can also get the SVC. So this is the service also has been created, yes, but root, you don't have the root for it. Yes, so let's create the root. So I am exposing the root by using this name. So I am putting the name is called bluegreen.apps.openshift.example.com. So this is the identical URL, but this time it's going to point the green app, not the blue app. So green app, yes. So you can see now root, so it will display, yes. Let me put this one in my etc host file because I don't have the DNS. So this is the URL and this is the IP address of my infra node, and let's try to access this application by using this URL, and yeah, it's a green application. Perfect. So our green application is running in the production. Just assume that, right? This is my green application. Okay. Now I'm doing some change in my code, and will move the traffic from green app to blue app. So let's create the another stack here. So I'm going to do that one in my blue green project. Click on add, browse catalog, and here PHP this, and I'm using the name is blue app, and repository will remain same, right? So before that I would like to do some change in my repository here. This one is the image.php, and here this is pointing to green. Let me modify and let me put here two symbols and this one. So this is my blue app, so it will display the blue box. Okay, now let me come back here and oops, my URL. So my URL is here, this one. This is the URL. Here click on advanced options and then create the root, and just click on create. Because we have already created the root, we will use the same routing. So this is my blue app and this is my green app. So this is the particular URL is pointing to green as of now. Okay, and once our blue stack is ready, we will switch the traffic from green to blue. So it is fetching the code, pushing it into the Docker internal registry, done, and it's creating the deployment and creating a one pod as of now. Okay, perfect. So you can see here still my application is pointing to the blue app, but our green stack is also ready. So you can get the details about the green or blue stack both. So here you can use the BC build config. You should have two, yes, blue and green. If you check here DC, you will have two deployment config, blue and green. If you check the services, you will have two services, one is blue app, one is green app. But if you check the root, it will have this name, but which service is pointing to? As of now it's pointing to green app. Okay, now let's do some change. So you need to modify the root. So if you modify the root, and here you will notice that uh, where is the service? This is the host URL, router, kind service, and this is the green app. So let's switch this one from green to blue. So remember, this is your service name, this name, not this one, this one, blue app. So this time I have changed, and now get the root detail, and it's saying I am pointing to blue. But if you see kubectl get, not kubectl, oc get pods, it will, you will have the green and blue running both. But this time my root is pointing to the blue app, and come to the screen here. Yes, this, refresh this, and it should point to the green. Now your green is the production and blue, sorry, blue is the production and green in the stack. If you would like to do the change again, you have to edit your route, and here put that one green app service name, save, and check it here. Yeah, you can do this one from the graphical as well. So this is my application route, and this is my route name, and here as of now it's pointing to the green app. So you can do here, click on edit service name, you can put here blue, and just click on save, and this time is blue. Right click, reload, it's a blue. And if you want to do this time again, edit, click here, green app, save. Yeah, so this is the blue-green deployment in OpenShift. It's very easy. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in next session.